Good morning, beta. Today we are going to revise the MCQs of the chapter number 1, that is rational number and square root. Okay. Is screen visible to you? Okay. First MCQ is the perfect square number out of 2, 3 and 5. 2, 3, 4 and 5 is the perfect square number. Perfect square number is the number that you will get on multiplying the two natural numbers. Okay, so the number is 4. 4 is the number that is a perfect square number. Do this next, the perfect square number between 30 and 40. The perfect square number between 30 and 40.
I'm 36.
36 is the perfect square number between 30 and 40 because this will get by multiplying 6 into 6, and 32, 33 and 39 number we will not get after the multiplication of the two numbers. Navya, what are you doing? Stop this. Next is between 50 and 60, the perfect square number is 56, 54 and 55 perfect square number? Are these perfect square number?
No.
No, they are not perfect square number. So the answer is B option, that is none. Okay. Which of the following is a perfect square number? So what you will do for this is you will make the prime factor of each number if each number is having a factor in a pair of 2, that means it is a perfect square number, otherwise not. Yes, who will tell me the answer? Which of these is a perfect square number? Yes, Tanmay, Prabsharan.
Ma'am, 10,000.
I'm talking about fourth question, beta. Tell me answer of the fourth question.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, answer is 625, ma'am, because the numbers 1067 and the other two are having 7, 8, and 3 at its unit place. This means that they cannot be a perfect square.
Yes, yes. We have done the property that the number, if it is ending with 2, 3, 7 or 8, it will never be a perfect square number. So the number D part, 625 is a perfect square number. Okay. Next is which of the following is a perfect square number? Which of the following?
Ma'am, 10,000.
10,000.
10,000. Again, the same property is there. ABC part is ending with 2, 3 and 8. It is not a perfect square number. Next is which of the following 1322, 872, 722, 2092 would end with the digit 1? Which of the following?
Ma'am, no one.
Actually, it is, I think this question is incomplete. What they are talking about, whether they are talking about the square root or they are talking about the square. It's not meant.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am.
Now the next is question number 8. Which of the 172, 342, 252 and 492 would have 6 at the unit place?
Ma'am, no one.
No one. So answer should be none. In the next also it is same. Question number 10. What would be the number of zeros in the square of 100? What would be the
Ma'am,
number of zeros square of 100? 100 into 100 will give you 10,000. So it will be how many zeros?
ma'am, 4 zeros.
4 zeros. So answer will be B part. Okay. Next is what will be the number of zeros in the square of 50? Yes, Prabsharan. What would be the number of zeros in the square of 50?
Ma'am, 2.
2 zeros. That B part is 12th MCQ. What would be the number of zeros in the square of the number 9,000? Yes,
6.
9,000 square will be Anjani, yes. Taranya,
Answer D. 6.
yes. Answer will be B part 60. The square of which of the following number will be even? We will use the property that square of the even number is even and the square of the odd number is odd. Got it? So the number of which number will give you the even square, that is which part is the answer?
Ma'am, 112.
Ma'am, 112.
Well, that is D part. Samiksha, next you will answer. The square of the following would be odd. The square of which of these number will be odd? Yes, Samiksha?
Ma'am, the answer is D part.
Answer is
D part, 99.
D part. Okay, 99. Because out of these four numbers, 99 is odd and the square of the odd number will be odd. Next, yes, the square of which of the following will
Ma'am,
be
50.
okay. Next, Ananya, the square of which of the following would be odd?
Ma'am, 81.
Yes, rest of the following are even. Yes, next. Jasmine, Simmerpreet, Jia. How many natural number lie between 8 square and 9 square?
16.
Yes, ma'am, ma'am, 2n.
Yes, between n square and n plus 1 square, there lie 2n numbers and 2n means 2 into 16, that is
Ma'am, 2 into 8.
2 into 8, that is your 16. Next is same. And 19th question, how many non-square number lie between 80 square and 81 square? Kavish, can you
Ma'am.
answer? Kavish, Jasmine, Pranav, Anjani, Tanmay. Non-square number आ जाए या natural number आ जाए, formula will be same.
Ma'am, 160.
Yes, it's 2n 2 into 2 into 80, that is 160. 20th is same, 21 is same. Yes. Question number 22. Express the square number 5 square as a sum of two consecutive integers. Yes, who will tell me the formula? Which formula you will use here? Which formula you will use here? Don't tell me the answer. I just want the formula. Yes, Navya. Navya.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, formula. Ma'am, n minus 1 over 2 and n plus 1 over 2.
Who is this, beta?
Ma'am, Arish.
Beta, it's not completely correct. Yes, Samiksha. Little bit correction will be there. Yes. Yes, Samiksha. N square can be represented into two consecutive integer by the formula n square minus 1 upon 2 n square plus 1 by 2 means 5 square plus 1 by 2, 5 square minus 1 by 2, and the answer is A option, 12 plus 13. They are two consecutive numbers. One more thing, this formula is specially for the n square where n is odd. This formula you can't apply for the square of the even number. That I have already told you when we have done the revision. So can you express 9 square as a sum of consecutive integer? 9 square is for 81. So the answer will be yes, Samiksha, Akul. Yes,
Ma'am, 40 plus 41.
Ma'am, 40 plus 41.
exactly. It's 40 plus 40.
41.
26 MCQ. Beta, all of you, please mute yourself. The unit digit 132 is in the square of, yes, the unit digit 132 is in the square of,
Ma'am, 4.
yes. When you make the square of this number, its unit digit will have 2 2s are 4, so it will have 4 at its end. The unit digit in the square of 1000 is 0. When you make 1000 square, it will again give you 0 at its end. Okay. Next is, which of the following is not a Pythagorean triplet? We have already discussed that the three numbers which satisfy the Pythagoras theorem, they are called Pythagorean triplet. They are the members of the Pythagorean triplet, otherwise known. So what you will do, you will apply Pythagoras theorem in each of these parts. If x square is equal to p square plus b square, then we can say that they form a Pythagorean triplet, otherwise known. Okay, is it okay? So the answer is first part 3, 4, 5. Answer is 3, 4, 5. What could be the possible one digit of the square root of 625? What will be the square root of 625? That is 25, you all know, and the unit digit is 5. What is the square root of 121? Yes, Ananya. Square root of 121.
Ma'am, 11.
Square root of 121 is 11. What would be the possible ones digit? Yes, Samiksha. What would be the possible
1 and 9.
Ma'am, 1
A
and 9.
option.
1 and 9? Yes, yes. What is the square root of 361? Square root of 361. Yes, square root of 361 is
Ma'am, 1.
square root of 361, beta.
Ma'am, the answer is D.
No. Who is this, beta? Who has given just answer? Ananya? Beta, square root of 361 is किसका square है?
Ma'am, C option 1 or 9.
हाँ जी. सी फर्स्ट ऑप्शन जो है. मैंने पूछा स्क्वायर रूट क्या है, मुझे ये बताओ. 19 का स्क्वायर है ये. तो 19 का स्क्वायर है, तो जो उसकी स्क्वायर जो यूनिट डिजिट हो सकती है वो 1 और 9 हो सकती है. What is the square root of 676?
मैम 4 और 6.
Yes, वैसे इसका स्क्वायर रूट क्या होता है? 26. The smallest number by which 32 should be multiplied so as to get a perfect square number. Yes, Harman.
Yes, ma'am.
After finding the factors, can you tell me by which number should we multiply 32 to get a perfect square number?
Okay, ma'am.
Hurry up, do this.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, everyone make factors of 32 and tell me the digit which should be multiplied by to make it a perfect square number.
Ma'am, into 2.
Yes, so
Into
answer is A part, that is 2. Now, do the MCQs of this rational number chapter. The sum of minus, is it visible? Okay. The sum of minus 8 by 19 and minus 4 by 57. Yes, everybody make a sum by suitable taking LCM and your answer you will tell me. Hurry up. Answer is yes, Kavish.
Ma'am, answer is C option.
Yes, very good. It's C option. What should be added to 3 by 8 to get minus 1 by 24? First part you have done, beta. You all have taken the LCM. What should be added to 3 by 8 to get minus 1 by 24 as answer? What you will do for this? आपसे पूछ रहा है कि 3 by 8 में क्या ऐड किया जाए कि ये आंसर आ जाए. इसका मतलब दोनों में से कौन बड़ा है? Harman, which of these is greater?
Yes, ma'am.
Which of these two is greater?
Ma'am, 3 by 8.
No. आपको कहते हैं इसमें क्या प्लस करें कि ये आंसर आ जाए. इसका मतलब इसमें अभी कुछ प्लस करने की जरूरत है. इसका मतलब ये छोटा है.
मैम फिर
बड़ा है.
माइनस 1 by 24 से हम उसको माइनस कर देंगे 3 by 8 को.
हाँ जी. Minus 1 by 24 minus 3 by 8. And the answer is minus 10 by 24. That is first option. First option is correct?
Lowest terms में.
Okay. Now, which of these is the smallest? Hurry up. Hurry up. Get the smallest of all these. Get the smallest of all these. What you will do for these is, you will make their denominator same by taking LCM. Obviously, 4 by 9 is positive. So this will not be smallest of all these. This minus 7 by minus 12 is positive. So this is also positive. So you will check the second and the fourth part. Answer is yes, Samiksha. Kavish. Yes, Taranya. Very good, beta. Be active. Tell me the answer.
Minus 5 by 6.
Minus 5 by
6.
Yes. B part minus 5 by 6. Do this question. Question number 5. Do this. Fifth question.
निकालना
Okay, LCM is 60 and then find the sum of all these.
मैम इसका आंसर -13/60.
एक मिनट। -13/60 is the answer. -13/60. B part is the answer. Do the sixth question. What should be subtracted from -3/4 to get 5/6? आपको कहते हैं इस फर्स्ट टर्म में से क्या माइनस करें कि ये आ जाए। इसका मतलब इसमें से बड़ा कौन सा है? इसका मतलब ये है कि फर्स्ट टर्म में से कुछ माइनस करेंगे तब इसके इक्वल आएगा। इसका मतलब दिस फर्स्ट टर्म इज ग्रेटर। Is it so? So what you will do is you will subtract 5/6 from -3/4. 3/4. Hurry up. Subtract. You will do -3/4 minus 5/6. Take LCM. LCM will be 12. बेटा देखो फर्स्ट में डिनोमिनेटर में 10 आ रहा है, आंसर हो नहीं सकता। डी में 25 आ रहा है, आंसर हो नहीं सकता क्योंकि 25 है। आंसर हो सकता है बी ऑप्शन और सी में से। अब बी में 24 आ रहा है डिनोमिनेटर में, हमें 12 चाहिए था, तो मेरे ख्याल से आंसर विल बी सी पार्ट। इज इट सो?
मैम यस सी पार्ट
सी पार्ट इज द आंसर -9. You please all solve this and then finally go for the answer. Okay, next is which of the following rational number is in the standard form? What do you mean by standard form? Standard form means
मैम मे बी जिसमें मैम और कोई कैंसल आउट नहीं हो सकता, मतलब मैम कटिंग।
the two numbers in the numerator and denominator when they have HCF highest common factor as 1, then they are said to be in the standard form. Means they will not be further cancelled out with any other factor. Okay, so here 9 is divisible by 3 but 28 is not divisible, and these two numbers are even, so they will be divisible. C option is also divisible. D option is divisible by 2. So B, C, D all are divisible by 2. So they will not be the answer. Answer is A part.
ए पार्ट।
Answer will be A part. Okay, next is do this question. This similar type of question we have done earlier also. The sum of two numbers is given. One number is given. Find the other number. Find the other number. Yes, beta.
मैम डी पार्ट -118 over 19।
Okay. Is it so? Ananya?
Yes.
Yes, Ananya.
मैम मेरा आंसर आ रहा है सी पार्ट
8. B part is correct, beta. We are saying what we will add in this number -5/19 to get -7 as answer. So you will subtract
Ma'am,
it.
which is the correct answer?
B option.
Okay, ma'am.
Question number 9. Which of the following pair? Ananya, please do this question again after the class, okay? Which of the following pair is of equivalent rational number? Equivalent means जिनकी कटिंग करके जो सेम आंसर्स आ रहे हैं, they are called equivalent. सारे ऑप्शंस में you will make the cancellation. If you will get the same answer of the two fraction, that means they are equivalent. Otherwise not. Do this, hurry up. Do this. I will tell you the answer. Hurry up, cancel it out. डी ऑप्शन हो नहीं सकती, एक पॉजिटिव एक नेगेटिव है. ए बी सी में से आंसर होगा आपका. कैंसिल आउट करके आंसर देखो कौन सा है.
Ma'am, B is the answer.
B part is the answer, correct answer. Okay. Next, find the value of this. These two numbers are in the multiplication form. Cancel it out. In case of multiplication and division, we will always cancel out the term. Yes, Samiksha. Can you tell me the answer? Yes, Samiksha.
Ma'am, A part is the answer.
Answer is minus minus plus 16 by, what's the answer you are saying? D part. 10th question, D part is the answer. Okay, one more question. The reciprocal of a negative rational number is positive, negative, neither positive nor negative, and doesn't exist. Negative 1 by minus 1 by 5 का reciprocal minus 5, so it will be negative. Positive का positive आएगा, negative का negative. Do this 12th part, hurry up. In case of division, you will change it to multiply, make the reciprocal of the second term. I want Samiksha to give me the answer. Yes, Samiksha. Arman, feeling tired? Okay. Yes, Samiksha. Chalo, Harman, you tell me the answer.
मैम स्क्रीन पे 3 क्वेश्चन
Ma'am,
शो
4
हो रहे हैं,
by
11
7.
12 13. मैम कौन सा करना आंसर?
ये divide वाला बेटा, divide वाला. 12.
ओके मैम.
Ma'am, the answer is C part 4 by 7.
Yes, ma'am.
Answer is C part 4 by 7.